Hello.
Hello sir, my name is Syed Sufyan Syed Mukram Patel. I am in 8th standard. It is very hard to grow the plants outside the house because no person are interested to water the plants regularly. Also sometimes the plantation is on the roadside or at ground. So problem is that how we can provide the water to the plants regularly. Many times the owner go to picnic for 5 to 15 days. In this period plants do not get sufficient water. It's be necessary to provide the water to the plants regularly. If we do not get sufficient water, then the plants will get dry. Also we face some many pollution problems from empty Bisleri bottles. We must use them at anywhere. We do the same with empty Bisleri bottles. In our busy daily lives, people often forget to water plants on time, especially during hot weather. Additionally, in many regions, there is a shortage of water, making it important to use water carefully and avoid wastage. Traditionally, watering method often waste a lot of water, as pouring water directly onto soil causes runoff and evaporation. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. My name is Pawan Munzajmana. I am 8th class. We collect many Bisleri bottles in city like hotels, stand, bus stands, railway stations, and market. We collect and wash out these Bisleri and tie them in rows 7 to 8 by using iron wire. Again, we arrange all these rows in one above the other on a tree gardeners. Also, we make a small hole on the bottom of Bisleri, which water is provided by plant drop by drop. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Chakradhar Krishna Done. I learn in 8th class. If we follow same project for all trees and plantation, we will more the country. We will over the country. The plant will get regular supply of water. Plant will get regular supply of water. Plant will survey in a good condition. If we can use this project all over, we will get this following benefits. The growth of plantification will be more. Oxygen level will be rich. Temperature of atmosphere will be favorable. Oxygen level will be rich. Soil pollution come in end. Increasing the number of trees will not prevent heavy rainfall. Pollution level will be poor. Thank you.